Fourth question. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. Now over here, like I said in the introduction, we get two values of x. So they have given two values and they have said roots. So the value of quadratic equation are called roots. We're going to learn about roots in the second practice set in details. Now for right now, just remember that the values of the quadratic equation are called as roots. Now, so we have to check these values are of quadratic equation or not, or of this equation or not. So what are we going to do? We're going to take the value of x as 1 and we're going to substitute in this equation. So let's substitute x is equal to 1. So in the place of x, we're going to substitute as 1. So 1, 4 minus 5 equal to 0. 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5. Now, if you see the left hand side and the right hand side, we get as same. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1 is the root of this equation. Now, let's substitute minus 1. So, at x is equal to minus 1, when we substitute minus 1, we get 4 minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So, this will be 1. This will be minus 4. That is 4 into 1, 4. And minus and plus will change to minus, you get 4, minus 4. So 1 minus 4 will give you minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. So minus 3 and minus 5 is minus 8, which is not equal to 0. Over here, the value doesn't match the left hand side and the right hand side. Therefore, only x is equal to 1 is the value for this quadratic equation. Let's see the second question. We'll substitute m as 2 and m as 5 by 2. So in the place of m, we're going to write 2. So this turned to be 4, this turned to be 10. So 2 4s are 8, 10, and you get minus 2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 2 is not belongs to 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. We can say it is not a root. Well, let's substitute m is equal to 5 by 2. So when we substitute m is equal to 5 by 2, so over here it's a square. So the 5 square will be 25, 2 square will be 4. So this will get cancelled. You'll get 2. This will be 5 into 5, 25 upon 2. So you're left with, I'll write it over here, 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, right, equal to 0. Now if you see it's same fraction, so therefore you get 0. Therefore, left hand side and right hand side are same. Therefore, 5 by 2 is the root for 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. Fifth question, find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, over here we have given one root, that is x is equal to 3. So we're going to substitute the value of x and we're going to find the value of k. So let's substitute the value of x. So we won't touch k over here, we'll keep it k as it is, and in the place of x we're going to write 3. So this gives us 9, this gives us 30, minus 30 plus 3 will give you, we can write this as 9k, will give you minus 27. Now we'll shift this minus 27 on the right hand side, we'll get 27, the positive 27. Now over here 9 is in multiplication with k, we shift, we get 27 upon 9, or we can write it as 9 dividing both the sides. So we cancel it, we get value as 3. So that is 9 3s are 27. So we get 3. So the value of k is 3. Sixth question. One of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 by 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Now in your textbook, it is given in the form of fill in the blanks. I'll do it from the scratch, okay? So the equation given is 5m squared plus 2m plus k equal to 0. Now हमें एक रूट दिया गया है, that is -7/5. So we'll write in the place of m as -7/5. Then -7/5 is nothing but the value of m. Over here it's whole square 2 -7/5 plus k equal to 0. Now first we'll square it. We'll get 49 -7 into -7 will give you 49. 5 square is 25. This will give you as minus plus will give you minus 2 7 14/5 plus k equal to 0. Now here this and this will get cancelled and you get 5. So you get 49/5 minus 14/5 plus k equal to 0. Now the denominator is same. So 49 minus k will give you 35/5 plus k equal to 0. This and this will get cancelled and you get 7. So you left with 7 plus k equal to 0. So when I shift 7 on the right hand side, I'll get the value of k as -7. So the value of k is -7. For more videos regarding this chapter, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.